In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to position yourself at the forefront of this booming market and build a thriving AI consulting business. Now, this isn't about learning how to code and become a developer, but it is about bridging the gap between these powerful AI technologies and what businesses desperately need right now, which is guidance to implement them effectively. These businesses don't need another developer without direction. They need someone who understands their business challenges and this ever-evolving AI landscape. I'm Matt Kesby, founder of Multiply Tech and Chief AI Officer at GoTeam. And over the past decade, I've grown our company from 1 employee to over 1,100 team members. And during this time, averaging 40% year-over-year growth for 10 consecutive years. Before that, I spent close to a decade as the head of strategy and execution for Franklin Covey across Australia and New Zealand, implementing transformational frameworks with organizations like Coca-Cola and Dell and Pfizer. At GoTeam, well, we've developed and implemented 7 AI-powered products that have revolutionized the way we operate. In particular, our Raya Pro system, which is a no-code AI agent building and automation platform. We use that to take 10 hours of work and convert it into 10 minutes with automation. Now, our other company, SimpleRent, processes over $1.7 billion in transactions annually and uses the same strategic implementation principles I'll be sharing with you in this training. Now, this isn't some sort of intellectual exercise on how it could happen with the integration of AI in business. We're actually doing it right now. And so I've taken everything that I've learned in implementing AI across multiple industries and distilled it down into a framework that any business professional can apply. And that's regardless of their technical background. Now, let me show you how it works. When I'm speaking with marketers and consultants and business advisors, they're often telling me that with all of the options with AI right now, it's sort of like paralysis by analysis. There's just so many things to choose from. And they know that they should be capitalizing on this opportunity, but they're not sure how to do it with precision and confidence. They feel like perhaps they need to become a developer overnight. It's not the case. What they don't realize is that the biggest gap in the market isn't technical expertise, but actually strategic advisory. If you think about it, businesses everywhere are drowning in these AI options. What they're desperately searching for is not more tools. They need advice from someone they can trust, someone who understands their business challenges and will guide them through this transformation process. And that's why I've developed 2 key frameworks. The first is the AI sweet spot for businesses, and the second is the C.H.I.P framework, and that's for AI consultants. And I'll be taking you over these during the free training. For example, the C.H.I.P framework, well, that's for AI consultants, and the C stands for credibility and positioning. This is how you establish yourself as the trusted AI advisor in your specific niche. I'll show you the 4 cores of credibility, which is the exact model I used at Franklin Covey that helped me build multiple 7-figure businesses. The H is for human plus AI systems. And we'll explore what I call the AI sweet spot, which is this perfect intersection where AI amplifies human potential rather than replacing it. Now, this is where the magic happens for your clients. The I represents impact integration. And this is our methodology that ensures AI adoption is delivered with measurable outcomes, rather than becoming some expensive side project that fails to launch. And the P stands for performance and purpose. This is how you structure your offering to create recurring revenue by tying all the AI implementation to a meaningful business result. And what makes this approach different to any other AI training you might have seen online is that we focus on business outcomes first. And it's only after that that we focus on building the right systems, using the right AI tools to achieve those outcomes. This positions you not as a technologist, but as a strategic advisor who leverages AI to solve real business problems. In my upcoming free training, I'll walk you through this entire framework and show you exactly how to implement it. And remember, time is of the essence. We're entering this period of just rapid economic realignment. And while that can feel a little daunting, it also creates this rare window for those that choose to pivot and lead with these new skills. I will say though, that the window of opportunity for positioning yourself as an AI consultant is open right now, but it won't stay open forever. You see, today, an overwhelming number of businesses are struggling to implement AI effectively. They're confused by technical jargon. They're overwhelmed by the options, and they're unsure how to integrate AI into their specific business models. But in less than a year, that confusion will start to clear. And the consultants who position themselves as trusted AI advisors today will come out in front for years to come. Now, you might be thinking, but Matt, I don't have a technical background. Can I really do this? I'm going to tell you, absolutely. Our framework is specifically designed for business professionals, not developers. We focus on strategic implementation using existing AI systems. Or perhaps you might be wondering, is this market already saturated? Well, not even close. The AI consulting market is growing at 26% annually. And we are just at the beginning of this curve, and the demand far exceeds the supply for qualified advisors. Join me for this free training where I'll reveal how to position yourself as an AI authority without technical credentials, and the exact method for structuring retainer packages that generate between 2K to 10K monthly recurring per client. Our proprietary implementation approach that ensures your clients see measurable results quickly, and also how to leverage government grants for digital transformations to secure long-term client engagements. This AI revolution is creating just a totally new class of high-income consultants who are able to bridge the gap between these powerful technologies and practical business outcomes. The only question I have for you now is, will you be one of them? Register now by clicking on the button below, and I'll see you at the training.